Welcome. This video I'll show you how to add email subscribe to Showit. Alright, it is actually pretty easy. You can have it in the form of maybe a button, like click this button to send me an email, or you can go ahead and add in your form in here, okay, so that you'll save those emails and send the subscribers like personal emails, okay. You can go ahead and choose or use MailChimp, Constant Contact, MailerLite, Flowdesk even, all right, and some other options, all right, and even Active Campaign. So for example, as you can see here, I have my Flowdesk, MailChimp, Constant Contact, and here I have my MailerLite, okay? And I already have created this simple newsletter sign up form, okay? So when you go ahead over to the bottom, right here, we have this HTML code or JavaScript snippet, or even a show on click event, okay? So for this example, we're just going to be using custom or HTML code and hit on copy. Now let's go ahead over to Showit. In here, in the Showit editor, you can go ahead and add in a new page and just select a blank section and then add in an element that is called embed code. Right here, double click on the element and just paste the copied code in here. Or just press Ctrl V right here. Here's the forms code, just hit on save. And there you have it, okay? Whenever someone clicks on subscribe in here, okay, for example, I'm going to go ahead and add in my own Gmail. Subscribe. It says here, thank you. And it's going to go ahead over to my MailerLite account. Okay, that's it. And when you go ahead over to your subscribers in here, as you can see, I now have my own email right here. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.